George Nelson is most noted for his work for the Herman Miller Furniture Company. Nelson was an industrial designer and is considered one of the founders of American modernism, along with Charles and Ray Eames. While studying architecture at Yale University, Nelson began to write for noted architecture magazines and journals, giving him notoriety in the field before he even graduated. He also wrote a book about innovative design concepts called Tomorrow's House, which led him to be hired as director of design at Herman Miller. Here he worked with many highly regarded designers like Charles and Ray Eames, Harry Bertoia, Isamu Noguchi, and Richard Schultz to develop furniture for Herman Miller. During Nelson's 25-year tenure, Herman Miller became highly profitable, which gave Nelson enough success to start his own firm, George Nelson Associates. Nelson continued designing furniture for Herman Miller, making such iconic designs as the coconut chair and the marshmallow sofa, which can still be found today. The Howard Miller Clock Company was eventually established to promote and sell the wall clocks that George Nelson's company designed, which included over 150 clock designs and as many as 300 variants. These clocks are iconic today, and some of the work that Nelson is most known for. Many of the designs are known by their nicknames such as the Sunflower Clock, Spindle Clock, Ball Clock, Sunburst Clock, and Asterisk Clock, many of which are still found today. Though trained in architecture, Nelson thought of himself as a designer and never felt limited to one field. He produced successful results in architecture, interior design, furniture design, and even graphic design, applying the principles he learned over the years as a designer to all these fields. Much of the work completed as George Nelson Associates has been listed merely as designs by George Nelson himself, but it should be known that he had an extensive staff of talented designers over the years, including Lucia de Raspinas, Michael Grave, Irving Harper, Don Irving, George Cherney, Ernest Farmer, and Tomoko Nijos.